we're going to play tic-tac-toe. Tito Dennis, you will be playing with us. You will be partnering with Daddy Anthony. Ayan. Daddy will be doing the first move. Now, Daddy, get one corner, any corner to get an advantage. Any corner that you want. Any corner. This corner. This corner. Alright, ready? For this corner, do you want to change your mind? If you make a different move, we will have a different pattern, tama po? And I could have one or pwede kayong nanalo, but since nag-tie tayo, this is the pattern that we have made. Actually, all the pieces here are part of a puzzle. This one is part of a... The image that we form here is none other than the birthday celebrant. Alexa, round of applause! Thank you so much for playing with me. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy. Na-offer talaga ito because each one is really a part of the puzzle. Okay. Tito Dennis, thank you for playing. Daddy, thank you for playing. Thank you, Alexa.